Hi, I'm Mark from LM Small Engine. Today we'll be working on this Craftsman. I did a video on this a couple, 2-3 months ago. The key switch is bad, and I tested all the wires, and come to find out the key switch was bad. But anyways, I got this here donor lawnmower. This here is a snapper. These lawnmowers are made at the same factory. This one's a Craftsman, and that one's a snapper. Anyway, this one has a good hood over the motor, and this one's totally gone. So we're gonna switch them around, switch seats and everything. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Okay, we're gonna keep this seat because this seat's in good shape, but the armrests are bad on this one. And like I said, the plastic hood over the motor is all broke out, and you can't buy these new no more. And on this one here, has a good hood for the motor. The seat's in bad shape, has moss growing out of the seat and everything, but the armrests are good. So we're going to put these armrests on that seat and switch covers. Okay, we're going to take out the control panel so we don't have to unhook anything. And the tops are Torx. And bottom 7/16. That cover is not really a necessity, but it makes it look a lot better, and it protects the motor. And I could just unhook the wires and take them off this one, but this red one over here, this one had an electric lift on the deck, so the wiring would be a little bit different. This button right here, that's for your electric lift. Versus that black one's a manual. Yeah, funny story behind this lawnmower here. I did a video on this Craftsman one with the wiring, and I said in the video if anybody had one of these junked out or anything, I'd be glad to buy it from them. Then this new subscriber was watching the video. He said, well, I got one. I says that the motor's good in it, and that back hood's good in it, but the deck was shot, and I really didn't need a deck or anything. When they were planning a trip to come to the Black Hills to see Mount Rushmore and Crazy Horse monuments, and he wanted to know if he could stop here, visit and tour the shop, and I said sure. So I called like a week before he was going to come, and he brought this lawnmower. I showed him the shop and everything, and they went off on their vacation, so I really appreciate that. This one here, we're going to have to get the nuts from underneath this one. So that was really nice of him anyway. And I offered to give him some money for it. And he says, no, just enjoyed watching the channel and everything. He didn't want me to mention his name or nothing on the YouTube channel, but he lives in a town in Indiana, not far from one of them famous lawnmower YouTubers. He lives right by over there in Indiana. Alright, we still have to plug everything and take so we can get it off this panel without breaking it, but that shouldn't be too tough. And unplug that deck lift. Just got to unhook the throttle. And it takes a smaller Torx. Take the handle off the throttle. Then we'll pop the seat off next. And that looks like 1/2 inch. It's like 4 bolts. I have to use the impact on that because that seat is just dripping water. They must be getting way more rain out east than around here because it's really dry around here. Even moss growing out of the seat. Zip tie holding that on there. And this motor, he said this motor is good. It's a 24 horsepower V-twin Briggs & Stratton. He said he hasn't used it in a while. There's a mouse nest on top of the flywheel, but them are sure nice motors. And he said it ran when he parked it, so we'll probably do a video on getting this motor running. See if we can pop these bolts out here. Oh, they're coming out. That impact won't fit in there. I have to use my other air gun to get them bottom bolts out. That was easier than I thought. Okay, let's do this other one now. Okay, I think we pop these pins. Yeah. And there you go. That's pretty simple. So I'll pop the pins off the other one and we'll set it on here. Okay, just switch the hood over. Now I'm just bolting the seat on now. Get the seat safety switch on. So far this job is pretty simple. I guess I could always paint that hood black, you know. Let's check it out here. Oh, that looks so much better. Red, but at least it's covering that, protecting that motor and everything. Now it's got to insert the instrument panel. I want to change the armrest because these armrests are all falling apart and the ones on the other seat are real good. It looks like an Allen wrench. I'll take them off them pins hopefully. I might spray some goop on there and let it soak a while. But let me install this panel here real quick. Same way as when I took it apart. Okay, we got everything all swapped out. Put the other armrests on it where that looks better. Now it has a cover over the motor. Looks so much better. Anyway, you don't want me to tell me, you don't want to have him mention his name, but I'm going to say his first name. His name's Larry. Thanks a million for this. Really appreciate it. Glad you stopped by. Looks a lot better. I really appreciate it. And like I said, the Craftsman and the Snapper, this series, most likely is made in the same factory because everything's interchangeable. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.